What's poppin'? Let's get this W. Felt kinda sorry for the guy. Woo! That's some beautiful shooting right there. Roses are red. You are dead. I got your head. Woo! That's some beautiful shooting right there. One shot to the brain. Roses are red. You are dead. I got your head. Woo! That's some beautiful shooting right there. Woo! That's some beautiful shooting right there. One shot to the brain is all you need. Alright, listen here. I know you're on this like amazing win streak, right? But just think about this. If you let a bot win the next game, like for example, Black Santa.